Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll see how to uninstall softwares in Windows operating system. So let's get started. You can go to the search bar and here you can type control panel. Once you go to the control panel, here you can see programs. Go to the programs and here you can see the option called programs and features. So click on programs and features. So once you click on programs and features, so here you can see the list of all the applications and the softwares which you have installed in your system. Okay, suppose if you want to uninstall any program or the software, you can right click on that particular application or the software. You can get the option called uninstall or change. Also here you can see that particular option. Okay, suppose if you just click on that, here you will get an option. Otherwise you can just right click on this, you will also get an option there itself. Okay, and suppose if you want to uninstall it, means I will just show with this example. Now let's try to uninstall VLC media player. I will just click on it and here I will click on uninstall / change option. So once I click on that particular option, so here it will ask whether you really want to uninstall VLC media player, remove VLC media player from your computer. Okay, so it will prompt for uninstalling. So here you can click on next and here you can select delete preferences caches. So finally you can click on uninstall. So that particular application or software will be uninstalled once you click on finish. Okay, so completing VLC media player uninstall. VLC media player has been uninstalled from your computer. Click finish to close setup. So let's try to click on finish. So now the VLC media player has been uninstalled from your system. So here you can just check whether it's really uninstalled or not. So now you can see that particular application or the software has been uninstalled from your system. So here nowhere you can see the VLC media player. Okay, that means that the particular software has been uninstalled from your system. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.